No more hassle, no more tears. We're proud to unveil a revolutionary product that you and your pet will love. Launching exclusively on Indiegogo. Introducing Pop-Up Pet Door 2.0. Pop-Up Pet Door 2.0 attaches to your sliding door frame in seconds. Our new and improved model has a magnetic strip to keep it securely in place. Made of lightweight materials, the pop-up pet door is sturdy and easy to transport. Its foldable panels are virtually weightless. Its expandable frame supports the entire pet door and adjusts for an exact fit every time. Door sizes range from small to extra large, accommodating most beloved breeds. The pop-up pet door was designed to hold in place, even while having your sliding door open. Now you, too, can get in and out without having to take it down. Pop-up pet door folds away instantly, making it effortless to take down and simple to store. The aluminum support frame slides into the unit and doubles as a carrying handle. Pop-Up Pet Door 2.0 now comes with an optional extension for 96-inch doors. Simply align magnetically and pop in connection brackets. Compact, modular, and durable. Pop-Up Pet Door 2.0. It lets the dogs out.